मेरी सोनी मेरी तमन्ना, झूठ नहीं है मेरा प्यार।
पर ये सोनी कौन है, तमन्ना कौन है?
ऐसे मंगोगे आप। Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I have a day off and today we are planning to go outside in Skagway. It's in Alaska and we are going to visit the nice Lower Dewey Lake over here. I'm going first time to visit this lake. Let's see how it's gonna be and let's see what we're gonna do the exciting over here. Okay, see you. Bye. So we are out now. So today is a tender port. This is the beautiful princess. I will show you the view. This is the Holland America and the princess. I think that is Caribbean princess. Sapphire, all right. The Sapphire and Holland America, and a beautiful view. So this is the tender boat, and he's my friend. Hi Prakash. So now we are outside now. We started our lake journey. So I will show you where we have to go. Direction. The Dewey Lake Trail System. This is the way we have to follow. It's gonna be 1 hour durations. So let's see. Let's go, Prakash. So it's gonna be little far. It's a long distance, like 45 to 50 minutes, right?
Yes.
45 to 50 minutes by walk. You can say it's a hiking, the proper hiking. You have to go to the mountain for the lake. Let's see the beautiful town. So I will pause the video here. See, this is we have to follow the direction. दिख रहा हो कि नहीं दिख रहा? So this is the way we have to follow the direction. Come.
All right, 5.51 miles.
So this hiking is gonna be very tough. I will show you how we have to follow, how we have to go to the direction. Come. See, If you want to go to upper lake, you have to go this through. For the lower lake, you have to go from here. Let's go. Come, come. And this is the very dangerous hiking. You can see the bears over here, so you have to be very careful. Come. See the amazing route. We have to go from here. Come. सर जी, मैं पता है दहीसर में रहता था। दहीसर में एक बाग देवी मंदिर है, सेम ऐसे ही रूट है वहाँ का। मुझे दहीसर की याद आ रही है मुझे।
चलो।
मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड वाली फीलिंग आ रही है। नो बडी इज़ हियर, ऑल फॉरेस्ट एम्प्टी। बोलते हैं यहाँ पे बेयर्स, स्नैक्स बहुत देखने मिलेंगे आपको, सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल। स्नैक्स का तो कुछ नहीं, पकड़ लूँगा, बट बेयर्स का क्या करूँगा? जब दिखेगा देखा जाएगा। लेट्स गो। All the information is here regarding the Alaska Skagway, and this is the map. We have to go the lower lake, so we can go from here also and that side also. Which one we have to follow? This one? Let's go from here. हाँ, let's go from this. कहीं तो पहुँच ही जाएंगे। इतनी दूर आगे आधा घंटा हो गया चलते हुए। हाँ हाँ, सब रास्ता गॉड की तरफ जाता है। वेल सेड। दिस इज अलास्कन ट्रीज। Hi, enjoy the lake already? Yes. It's beautiful? Beautiful. All right. So we are not yet completed 50% of hiking, but you can see the amazing view from here. I'll show you like this, wait. So it will gonna take I think 30 minutes more, then we'll reach the lake and I will After 1.5 hours of hiking, we already reached there. Come, I'll show you the beautiful lake in Alaska in Skagway. See the beauty. The real life meaning. अब इतने दूर आए हैं तो स्विमिंग तो करना पड़ेगा.